Hi, this is Kingsley here for Danalix. Danalix is an all-in-one legal and business management software. I'm going to demonstrate how this awesome application works with respect to Gmail and our communication or email integration system. First, to integrate your email, you come to or use the feature that integrates emails and showcases emails, you have to go through several steps. First is the settings stage. At the settings, you have administration that takes you to the settings section of the app. You click while on the menu, you click on administration, and then you come to settings. While on this page, you see there are several settings area, but you come all the way to the end. Here you see communications. You come here, so you create communications details. Now I had this Gmail already set up, but I'm going to delete this, and then I can use another Gmail um, address. Okay, I want to create just to get started communication details. Here, service provider type. Okay, there are several of them, but I'm dealing with Gmail now. I choose Gmail, and then I put the Gmail email address that I want. So in this case, it's Danalix app at gmail.com. That's it. Then I save it. It's all done right here. Simple, straightforward. So I can come here and update, or change, assuming I made a mistake, whatever it is. So that is done. So here I have created the communications details, and then I come here to communications. Now you can see this. If I come here, I have to select this very email address. Now, let me explain something before I leave this screen. Once I click on this, it will change screen, and unfortunately, the capture feature that I'm using from Microsoft will not capture the second screen, because if I switch to the second screen, it's only focused on this second screen. But I will go and recreate what happens on that second screen so that I make this video. I just want you to understand what happens here. So I click on this. Now it has shown another screen, which obviously you are not seeing from this video. So I'm going to go to that other screen and then try to record the events from there. Here we go. This is the other screen, and you see this is what comes up. Once you select that email account, it comes here. I'm going to select it. It's Danalix app at gmail.com that I'm using. So I click on it. This is what shows up. Google says it has not verified this app, which is fine. This is why I'm making this video, so that Google will know what we do, and hopefully verify this application. So you come here now. Because I trust the Danalix system, I click on advanced. At this stage, hopefully we won't be seeing this. We won't be seeing this back to safety button once this is all cleared up. So I come here, I go to Danalix, and once I click Danalix, here it comes. And we want to access your Google account. I want to select all of this, access, and so I click select all, and then I continue. Yes, folks, I'm back. The moment I selected all and clicked OK, it stopped the recording of that very capture or video, and now I'm back. So you are seeing these changes in my video creation process, because the screens, once you leave one screen when using Microsoft Capture, it cuts or it doesn't record that very screen. So here we go. We are now back to Danalix. Although that second window that was opened was still didn't close this window, but here we are just for the sake of this recording. You can see this is the email address. He pulled all of the emails that I have there up to the current period. Now, here is what we do at Danalix to help you to connect the email. You can link the email thread to a client or matter. So I click this, and once I click this, I come here. This client came pre-selected, but I don't want that. I want another client. I just choose any of these clients. So I choose this one. As soon as I choose, if I want to allocate it to only this client, that's fine. If I want to allocate it to a matter, a client may have more than one matter. So here is this matter. I choose this and I save it. Okay. Now what I've just done is I've allocated that particular email, this one, to no, it wasn't. I don't know which channel. I think it pulled. It it took my email from up to down or something to that effect. Okay, here we go now. So this is the one I believe I allocated. So if I come here to clients and matters, okay, this is the client. If I come here and I look, I go to emails, I click, it will show under the client email. You see, I did, this is the one I did. This one I did earlier when I was using another Gmail account. But this is the one I'm doing now that I got security alert apparently when I was using my uh, Danalix app at gmail.com. I sent this alert, but I allocated it to this client, and here is the email. And it definitely works because I allocated it to this client. So that is how that works. If I go to matters, the same thing. If I go to this very matter, this is the matter in question, Kingsley list. I come here and I go to emails. It's going to pull whatever email I have allocated or that it has automatically allocated, because if a client sends an email, our system is built in a way that it will recognize that the email is coming from the client, because you register that client or that email against the client, and it will automatically fetch it and locate it under the email section of the matter or of the client, depending on what features on the subject line of the email. So now you see the email is here as well. So that is how that works. One of the things we use is the subject, name, the file number, and other things to filter the email and allocate it to whatever client that we have. In a nutshell, that is how the Gmail functionality works. Thank you.